So, this is not a first for me, but this is a first for you guys. I've brought my sister Michael into the kitchen.
Hi.
And we grew up a lot of time around the kitchen in our house.
We spent a lot of time together.
You did a lot of the cooking.
We did.
And this was a family favorite, and I am so excited because I remember actually us going out and picking blackberries to make blackberry cobbler.
You guys are gonna love this recipe. It is super simple. You can't mess it up. The edges are buttery crispy, the center's gooey, and it's just so versatile. You can make it really quick, throw it in the oven, and it's ready when your company gets there.
And we love quick.
Yes, we do.
So let's see if you can teach these kids to make as good a cobbler as you made.
Well, we'll have fun anyways.
Let's go, guys.
Hello, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Hands washed?
Yep.
Clean? Okay.
Hand washed.
Yes.
correctly? I don't remember.
You better wash them. No germs.
No germs allowed.
No germs allowed.
Do I have germs?
You said you washed them.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, then we're ready. Okay, do you want to reach our butter? There's one for you, and we'll put it in here and melt it while we mix up our dessert.
Do I open it?
You do open it and put it in
Do
here.
I open it right now?
Yep, right now. Very good.
Found it. That's easy to do.
Have you ever had blackberry cobbler?
So I just stick it in here?
Yep, right there. We're gonna melt it in the oven. This is your grandpa's, one of his favorite desserts. When I was about Casey's size, Granny taught me how to make this, and we would make it for Grandpa whenever we had company. Thank you. Now we will pop it in the oven and let it melt while we mix up our cobbler. Are you ready for what's next? It'll take about 10 minutes to melt, and then we're ready. Okay.
Mr. Somebody should do something like a dramatic turn. Dun, dun, dun.
Are you the dramatic turn?
You can do a dramatic turn.
I
You can do dramatic when you taste it.
Dun, dun, dun.
This recipe is so easy because you put equal parts of everything. You've probably learned that in school. Everything is the same. So we're making a big one because y'all have so many kids. So we're gonna do 1.5 cups of everything. So you have 1.5 cups of sugar, and you can dump it in.
And I have 1.5 of sugar.
Yep. You have 1.5 cups of flour. You can put it in. Good job. You want to pour us to 1.5 cups of milk. Right there. And then you have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla.
Dum, dum, dum.
And then you can put your vanilla in
And she's done.
when she's done. Nicely done. And then you can both have a chance to whisk it.
The vanilla just makes everything smell a little better.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
That's the special little tip.
Yeah. Chloe?
You see how simple that was? You can make this all by yourself.
That good?
That is good. I'll give it a few quick turns so the lumps go out.
Yeah, lumpy's out.
You want the lumpies out.
Yeah. We want the lumpy out.
We don't have to do a timer, we just have to look and see when it's melted. You want to look and see if it's melted for us? Almost, like 2 more minutes.
I want to do all of it.
You want to do all of it?
It takes 20 minutes.
No, it is so fast. You can make this all by yourself anytime you have company.
I want to do this.
You love to cook?
Yeah.
You learn from your daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love to cook too. Do you have a favorite thing you like to cook?
Cake pops.
Oh, you make
maybe
some
this will be my
amazing
first.
cake pops.
Maybe this will be first.
Your next favorite? What's your favorite thing to cook?
Grits.
I love grits.
Now, Michael.
Yep. This is going to be so hot, okay?
Yourself.
Yes, I did. Always. I still have all the scars from it.
So I'm going to carry this over here for you.
Thank you.
Casey, this is very hot, okay? And because it's cast iron, it retains its heat. So don't touch the handle, even though it looks like it needs to be touched.
I will let you pour this one in. We'll pour it right into the hot butter, and you'll hear it sizzle, and the edges will get crusty.
Do I pour
You're
this
going to
one?
pour that one in.
Yay! It's a little heavy.
I'll hand it to you this side, so you can pour it right out the little spout.
It looks like grits.
It does look like grits, doesn't it?
The butter is just taking it away like savage. It's
That
just
melted butter makes it super crispy. I'm going to let you switch places with Casey because I'm not going to touch the hot pan, and then you can pour these in, okay? You ready? So you can dump them so they kind of go everywhere on both sides.
Dump them slow.
Yeah, a little slow.
Careful.
There you go.
Splashies.
Did it splash you?
Splashies. Splashies. Splashies.
I'm gonna do this one because it's hot and I just don't want you to get burned.
Casey, move. Thank you, Casey.
So I'll tell our friends in case they're cooking at home, if you like this to be super cobblery where it's more doughy in the middle, you cook it for about 38 to 40 minutes. But if you want it to be more cakey, you put it in for close to an hour. And the berries or the fruit depends on whether you like it with a lot of fruit or a little. You can just adjust it. We did one 16-ounce bag of blackberries. We're gonna let Dad put it in.
Time for Daddy to go back in the oven with this.
And in 1 hour or 45 minutes, we can eat it. You ready for some hot cobbler? Blackberry cobbler. It is hot.
I want to see
There you go. You have to tell me if this is your new favorite dessert. You want to try it? Okay.
I think it's gonna be delicious.
Delicious. I hope it tastes delicious.
Me too.
Dad'll have to get you some ice cream.
It just looks like it's like a biscuit.
It's a little bit cakey, yes.
Smells good.
Don't try it without ice cream. That's what really makes it. Do you see it steam coming off? Ooh.
Some ice, Casey.
We should save a piece and take to Grandpa because he loves it.
Don't forget Mommy and the rest.
Oh, and Mommy and the rest.
yeah, we'll
We made a
definitely
big family one.
Yeah, we can take one
Hold
to
on, wait.
Carmen and
We
Evan
gotta take a bite at the
too.
same
Have to
time.
get Dad a bite too.
Oh yes, let's make Dad a bite.
Let's make Dad a bowl.
Okay, guys, it is time to taste. We have waited for this.
You
This is
waited
time to
patient,
taste your
didn't you?
first bite of Aunt Michael's blackberry cobbler. Why have we not made this for more family desserts?
I don't know. Is it good?
Wow,
It is good?
that is
You
exactly
love it?
like I remember.
My new favorite.
Your good memories?
That's exactly like I remember right there.
Childhood memories? Your first favorite? Well, now you know how to make it so you can make it for Mommy.
It's that buttery crust on the outside.
It's my favorite
I
part.
just love that buttery.
I know, I want to
And
eat
using
it,
the
but I
salted
can't right
butter.
before Christmas.
Using the salted butter was good.
The
because
salted butter, it is
does
the
add.
difference. It does. I've made it with unsalted and salted, and it is not the quality without it.
Wow. See, normally with bacon I would use unsalted, but I'm definitely
Not with this one.
I'm definitely going to use salted in this one. Wow. Well, thank you so much, Michael. Y'all all owe
Thanks for
Michael
having
a big
me.
hug for teaching y'all how to cook.
Oh, that's cool. I love you.
I know,
Thanks for
but
cooking with
I
me.
can brush this.
I am
brush
so
it.
glad you can brush that. She's showing me your
Thanks, sis.
cavity. Love you, bud.
Had a lot of fun getting to do it.
This was fun. It was fun to do something from our childhood again.
It was. Lots
was.
of good memories.
Daddy's-
Guys, you're going to love this. It's so easy. Even I can cook it.